Hello everyone, hopefully all of you are doing good with your coding journey. So the motive of today's video is to understand the basic comparison operators in Python. For that we have considered two samples, x and y. Now x has been initialized with 3 and y has been initialized with 2. Now let us jump into the first operator, which is the equality operator. Now equality operator basically checks equality between two operands. So the operands here are x and y, and we can clearly see that 3 is not equals to y, so the answer will be false, right? Now the next operator is not equals. Now it is just the vice versa of equality operator, so it will basically check whether two operands are not equals. So it is clearly, we can address that 3 is not equals to 2, so the answer will be true, right? Now the third operator is greater than operator. Now it basically checks whether the left hand side operand is greater than that of the right hand side operand. Now it is clearly observable here that 3 is greater than 2, so the answer will be true, right? Now the next operator is lesser than operator. Now lesser than operator basically checks whether the left hand side operand is less than that of the right hand side operand. Now it is clear that 3 is not less than 2, so the answer will be false over here, right? Now similarly we have the greater than equals operator. Now greater than equals operator is a combination of greater and equals, and any of the condition if become true, the ultimate answer will also become true. So we can see that 3 is greater than 2, but 3 is not equals to 2. But as 3 is greater than 2, so we will get true because one of the condition becomes true, right? Similarly here we have less than equals. It is just the vice versa of the greater than equals. Here we can see that 3 is less than 3, which is false, right? But 3 equals 3 is true, so what we will get? We will get true. So these were the basic comparison operators in Python, and if we compile the code, what we get? We get false, true, true, false, true, true. So hopefully all of you were able to understand the basic comparison operators.